In today's video, we are going to show you how to create custom brushes in Sketchbook. Custom brushes lets you develop your own drawing style, improve workflow, and create unique textures. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you open your Sketchbook is you want to make sure to open your new project or create a new canvas. And then hover to the tools icon on the top section and go to the palette or brush palette. What will happen is a new panel will appear. From here, you can choose from any of the following. For example, a pencil, a vintage marker, flow airbrush, it's up to you. For example, we're going to be using airbrush. I want you to double click on it. Okay, you can customize the brush feel or the brush size. For example, you wanted to make it bigger. Opacity can be lowered it down, or if you want to increase it to the maximum, you can do so since you are creating your custom brush. And then you can select from a standard, a marker, a smudge, eraser until to luminosity. We're going to choose standard for now. And then you wanted to try that first and you wanted to make sure that you are on the correct layer. So for example, I am happy with this brush that I wanted. Once you are happy with it, go back again to the brush, double click on it, and click the export button. If you do, a new window will appear and all I have to do is super simple. You rename that specific brush. Okay, so that's going to be the file name, save it, and basically that's how you create custom brushes in Sketchbook. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next video.